What's up guys? Today's video, I know I'm starting it off kind of like a vlog style, but I think that's how I want to do this video. In a previous Get Ready With Me, I mentioned that I really wanted to do something about my brows, and I talked about relaxing them, and I got like mixed feedback. Some people were like,
don't do that, it's not that deep.
Use Got To Be Glue gel, and then other people were like,
yeah, do it.
But I think y'all were saying to do it because you just wanted to see how it would turn out. Which is fine. I want to say like the next day I saw a video from Nicole Guerrero, who is one of my all-time favorites here on YouTube, and she was talking about getting laminated brows, and I had never heard of brow lamination before. So I went on the YT because YouTube is like my Google. And that's a huge like thing. It's like a popular thing to do. I had never heard of it before. So I came across DIY brow lamination. So when I was looking up like what exactly brow lamination is, the end result is what I'm going for. Very like fluffy but straight brows. So, cause I don't want my brows super thin. I don't want them thin. I don't mind the shape. Like they're a little bit, my brows aren't that great, but it seems like everybody gets like pretty straight, but like that feathery brow, because my brow hairs are long. They curl after they grow out to a certain point. They're unruly. I know some people are probably gonna watch this video and be like, girl, what are you doing? It's not that serious, but it's okay because I'm good and this is what I wanna do. So I bought the kit off of Amazon. I'm going to do the whole process in this video and show you guys exactly how it turns out, all the steps, all that. So yeah, that's what today's video is going to be about. If you like my hair, you like these braids, I'm not sure if I will post that video before or after this one, but if I do post it before, check the cards and I will have it up here for you guys. So, let's get started. I'm not nervous because I have watched so many videos, so I'm not nervous about like my eyebrow hairs falling out and becoming like bald. So I'm not nervous. I just don't know how it's gonna look on me, but I'm willing to take the risk because my brows irritate me. So this is the kit that I purchased off of Amazon. I will leave it linked down below if you want to check it out for yourself. Obviously, right off the bat, it says this is for a lash lift, but this is what everybody uses when they want to laminate their brows, so I got it. And this is what it comes with. So you have glue, the perm, the fixation, nutrition, cleanser, a cleaning tool, and then lift pads. These are actually like for your eyelashes, so I'm not going to use these because this is what they put, I guess, like on your eyelid to like stick your lashes to. I don't know. I've never had like a lash perm. I really didn't even know that like perming lashes was a thing. So I'm going to go ahead and take a before picture so that I can compare them side by side because I really want to see the difference. I mean, I know what my eyebrows look like now, but I like to see like a before and an after. So I'm gonna do that and then we'll get started. Oh my God. So you're obviously going to need the lash lift kit. You're also going to need a clean spoolie, and you're also going to need some saran wrap. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush through my brow hairs and kind of like brush them in an upward motion. I do need to get my brows done. I did not want to go get them waxed because I didn't want the skin around my brows to be irritated, because I want to reduce the burning sensation, if any, as much as I can. So the first step is to take the glue that comes with the kit and brush that on your eyebrows. Well, it actually says your eyelashes, but you know. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's cold. I'm gonna like make sure that I coat them really, really well. I keep dipping back in because this brush is so tiny and I want to make sure that I get my brows really nice and coated. Okay, so it says to let that sit for a minute. So here's the little perming lotion. So I'm taking the perming solution and dipping my spoolie in there so it is nice and saturated. And here goes nothing. Ooh, it stinks. Making sure that I get all of the hairs and really pressing them down. So the next step is to take some saran wrap and put this over my face for 10 to 12 minutes. Oh, So I'm gonna start off with 10 minutes and we'll see what it looks like once the 10 minutes is up. So the 10 minutes is up and this is what it's looking like. It doesn't burn. It didn't burn at all, which I am very happy to say. Then, okay, so we can go ahead and take this off. Ooh, feels very cool. And here is what they look like so far. Interesting. Okay. So then it says to take the clean tool and remove the perm lotion and then apply the fixing agent, which is number 2, and then cover your eyes again for 10 to 12 minutes. Clean. Okay. That's crazy. So I'm just combing through and removing that perm lotion. And I'm just wiping it on this saran wrap because I don't have a paper towel. Why does anybody need brow hair that is that long? That's insane. Here's what they look like. It looks a little red only because of that brush, because it's kind of like scratchy. So now it says to take number 2 and apply that to your eyebrows and cover again for 10 to 12 minutes. I did wash off my spoolie. So once again, just gonna dip in and get it saturated and brush this on. This doesn't have a smell, which is nice because that first stuff was disgusting. Okay, so here we are after 10 minutes. I'm gonna take this off. Oh, that feels so good to take that off because it gets kind of hot under there. And here is what it looks like after those 2 rounds. So, okay, so the next step is to use the cleanser that comes with the kit, which is this little guy, and wipe off all residue. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is take the cleaner. Oh. Okay, and wipe. Oof. I don't want it to get in my eye. I don't want it to get in my eye. Ah! It's getting in my eye. Luckily, I just folded towels and I have a rag. I want it to get in my eye. So then it says to take another one of these little Y tools and comb through your lashes, well, eyebrows. And I'm not getting any extra product because I had that cotton ball pretty well soaked with the cleaner. But I'm just brushing them. They're so straight and it's kind of crazy how long my brow hairs are. This is insane. Look how long my brow hairs are. That's crazy. I told y'all if you watched that Get Ready With Me, I'm sure a lot of people were like, girl, you are crazy, but I was not kidding. My eyebrows are out of control. The next step is to use this Nourish lotion. It looks like some type of oil. I don't know if I want to use this. Yeah, it smells like some type of oil, but it has a fragrance to it, so I think I'm gonna use my own oil. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and use my own oil real quick though. I am going to groom my brows. They feel very soft. Pluck, trim, do all that, and I will be right back to show you guys the final results and give you guys my thoughts and opinions. So I will be right back. Okay, so I am done grooming my brows. I did the best that I could, but I feel like right now, because of what I just did, they are a little on the stiff side. I'm not mad at this. I can see myself definitely having an easier time to actually fill in my brows when I'm doing my makeup. So if you guys are going to do this at home by yourself, I would definitely suggest brushing them in the exact way that you want the hairs to lay. But I do feel like over time, maybe like give it a day or two, once I wash my face, the hairs will definitely relax and not be so stuck to my forehead, if that makes sense. My final thoughts are that I'm really happy with the result and I would definitely recommend it. You know, just be careful. Don't do anything to your body that you are uncomfortable with because it is your body. This is not permanent. It's not like my brows are going to be stuck this way. And I want to say that I read that it lasts 4 to 6 weeks. So it's not that bad. And I think that with this kit, you would probably get about probably 2 uses because the shelf life is 6 months. And if it's 4 to 6 weeks lasting, I would think you would probably get about 2 uses out of this kit. It was only like $14 on Amazon. Like I said, I will link it down below for you guys. And that is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button if you are new here and you want to see more videos from me in the future. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!